How to set your Facebook account to private. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Facebook app in our mobile device, and in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. In some cases, you have the hamburger icon, so click on the hamburger icon for some users as well. Now, all we need to do is to simply scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, we can see privacy shortcuts in here, so click on that one. And in here, we can see privacy and click on take a privacy checkup. Now we can see 5 sections in here. First is who can see what you share. So let's go over that one. Now you will actually see, or you will be walked through your profile information, posts and stories, and as well as blocking. So let's hit on the continue button. Here, all you need to do is to set all your information to only me. So in this section, you can see your phone number, email address, your birthday, hometown, and other informations and the likes. So hit on next. Now you could also set your default audience for your posts and stories, and also limit past posts. So simply click on limit right here and hit on limit. There, so you can see that your past post has been limited already. Now let's move on to the next part. So you could actually see the add block list here, so this is not very necessary, and hit on next. Now you can review another topic, and basically that's how you would be able to keep your account private. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.